So far in this series, I've spoken about what stress is, the effect it can have on us, and how using helpful coping methods can help to address our stress levels. While it's great to think about what might help us when our stress levels are high, it can sometimes be difficult to find the time or energy to spend on de-stressing. To help with this, we've created the Stress Decompress. The Stress Decompress is a simple way to use your favourite coping methods quickly and when you need them most by designing a 30-minute routine that suits your needs. It's best to plan your Stress Decompress routine in advance and when you're feeling calm. So when you're feeling stressed, you don't have to waste any time thinking about what to do to de-stress. It's already there, ready to use. Start by making a list of your favourite helpful coping methods that you can do in no more than 5 to 10 minutes each. These could be things like a breathing exercise, going for a short walk, messaging a friend, or even laying down. Here's some more ideas of things that you could include. Once you've got your list, pick between 3 and 6 activities to fill your 30-minute routine. It could be 6 lots of 5 minutes, 3 lots of 10 minutes, or any combination. Think about how you can make half an hour work best for you. Here's some examples of what your Stress Decompress routine could look like. Once you've designed your routine, give it a go. See which activities work best for you and adjust it as necessary. Remember, the Stress Decompress should be designed to work for you, so feel free to change it as much as you need to. You might even have 2 or 3 different routines you like to try at different times, maybe depending on the day or where you might be. If you'd like more advice on how to address your stress, why not check out the other videos in this series, or come along to one of our Managing Stress workshops. You can find out more information and how to book a place in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.